Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech with Deepak. Today I will review about Ola S1 Electric scooter. Ola Electric teased two new color options for the S1. Also, the manufacturer has recently started construction of India's first ever gigafactory. This will be the largest cell manufacturing plant in India and will be operational by early 2024. Ola recently hiked the prices of its electric scooter lineup, including the Ola S1 after the famed 2 subsidy revision. Price: the Ola S1 is now offered in one variant with a 3 kWh battery pack. It costs Rs 129,999, ex-showroom Delhi, including revised famed 2 subsidy. The e-scooter comes in 11 paint schemes: Neo Mint, Coral Glam, Marshmallow, Anthracite Gray, Liquid Silver, Midnight Blue, Jet Black, Matte Black, Millennial Pink, Jarua and Porcelain White. Features: the S1 comes packed with all-LED lighting, 36-liter under-seat storage, and a touch-enabled 7-inch TFT instrument cluster. The scooter also gets smartphone connectivity, GPS and Wi-Fi connectivity. There are other useful features such as an anti-theft alert, geofencing, reverse mode, get home mode, take me home lights and limp home mode. The e-scooter comes with music and call controls, multiple riding modes, which even changes the console layout, including motor sound, and party mode, which makes use of the inbuilt speakers of the e-scooter. The MoveOS 3.0 brings features like faux motor sounds, hill hold, and vacation mode, which conserves the battery in case the EV remains unused for a long period. There's also proximity unlock, ride moods, Bolt, Vintage and Eclipse, 3 levels of regenerative braking, hypercharging and key sharing. Powertrain: the Ola S1 is powered by a mid-drive electric motor that makes 8.5 kilowatts peak power and 58 Nm peak torque. The e-scooter comes with a 95 km/h top speed and a claimed range of 141 km. The 3 kWh battery takes 5.5 hours to charge fully. Suspension and brakes: the Ola S1 is built on a tubular frame suspended on a single-sided front fork and a swing-arm-mounted monoshock. For braking, it gets a 220 mm front and a 180 mm rear disc with CBS as standard. It comes with a ground clearance of 165 mm, and rolls on 12-inch alloy wheels shod with 110-section tubeless tires at both ends. The e-scooter weighs 121 kilograms, curb. Rivals: the Ola S1 rivals the likes of the TVS iQube Electric, Bajaj Chetak, Hero Vita V1, Simple One and the Ather 450X. At a similar price, you could also consider buying the Yamaha FZ5 or the Bajaj Pulsar NS1. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.